No flat pattern. You never know what these things are gonna do. Love them. They're giving me a good video right here. I don't have to move. They're staying right here for me. They're not going over the house. Boom. I just messed it up, huh? There you go. Doing good today. They were up high earlier. I want them to come down. It looks like it's going to pour out here soon. Good thing they're going to come down soon. Looks like anyway. But they're flying beautifully. I love the way they just dip. You don't know what they're going to do. They back hook, they roll, they do figure eights. They side roll when they see hawks. I hope I get a nice video of them coming down. It would be nice. But these things have to fly, man. I'll be here for a minute.